I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping any running builds and closing long-running tasks. This prevents file locks. Once stopped, open File Settings, Preferences on Mac, and navigate to Build, Execution, Deployment, then Gradle. Here you choose whether to keep the project using the Gradle wrapper or to point Android Studio to a specific local Gradle distribution. Make that decision now because the following steps diverge. The wrapper keeps versions per project, while a local distribution sets a fixed Gradle home for the IDE. Once you select Use Local Gradle Distribution, click the folder picker and navigate to the Gradle installation you want Android Studio to use. Make sure the folder contains bins/Gradle. After confirming, Android Studio records that Gradle home. If you instead prefer per project control, open Gradle/wrapper/Gradle wrapper. Properties and change distribution URL to the desired Gradle version. Then the wrapper will download to the project level. Gradle cache. Either approach aligns run tasks to the chosen location. After changing the Gradle location, click OK and you sync project with Gradle files so Android Studio reloads settings. Watch the Build tool window for errors. If sync fails, try File Invalidate Caches/Restart, then resync. This clears stale caches that reference the old location. If problems persist, verify folder permissions, confirm Gradle user home or environment variables aren't overriding your setting, and consider deleting the project. Gradle directory to force a fresh download and rebuild, which often resolves path conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.